How to see all iMessage apps on iOS 17. So first and foremost is you have to go here to your settings and then scroll down up until you see general here and tap on general and tap on software update. Now you have to make sure that you have updated your iPhone to iOS 17 to be able to have these new feature where you can see all your iMessage applications. And you may be wondering what's that? What you're gonna do is to go here to your iMessages. iMessage applications is that you can actually connect your application to your iPhone. So I mean to your message. So what you're gonna do is here on your left part of your on the left side you will see this plus sign. Click on this and here you will see more. Now aside from accessing from your camera, photos, stickers, audios, location, tap on more here and basically you will see these applications such as PixArt, your Pinterest, your TikTok, your Twitch stickers, your YouTube, and Zoom. Let's click on your Pinterest here. It will lead you to your Pinterest and then you can actually send anything from Pinterest here, from haircuts, and then if you have your, let's say, SpongeBob here, tap on search. It will automatically search in Pinterest. Now if you click on this, you will be sending the link from the Pinterest to your message and basically just hit send. And basically that is how you see all your iMessage applications on iOS 17. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.